can also add in a section where you can accept date and time inside of Google Forms. So to do that, I'm going to click on the plus button right here, and then under the drop down menu, I'm going to select date, and here you can see that now I can add in a date right here. So I'm going to say something like enter your date of birth right here. So there you go, you can see this. You can also change the format of the date by clicking on the three dot button right here, and you can go around include out time as well, as you can see, and include out a description over here as well, as you can see right there. So you can see that now there's a description, month, day, and year, and time right here. I'm going to go around and press add button question right here again, and here I'm going to select time as another option, and on time here you can see you can include the exact duration as well instead of a regular time. So I'm going to say something like what work hours do you want right here, just like this. So now once this is done, if I were to go on to preview, you will be able to see the date right here, and with the date selector comes in where you can click and choose the date that you want, or you can type in the value over here as well. So similarly, there's time over here as well. So if I were to go for 9 a.m. right here, you can see that there's 9 a.m. and p.m. and you can enter out the time as well right here. So similarly, it says what workouts do you want, so you can go around over here and type in the value right here. So let's say I'm going to say 5 right here and 0 second right here, and that is how you can add in time value over there as well. And that is how you can add in date and time field inside of your Google Forms. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.